Okay, a little demonstration of the power issues I'm having here. Here is a basic electrical setup. Looks complicated, it's actually not too bad. We have a Sterling battery-to-battery charger that'll output the correct 3-stage charging level for the AGM deep cycle battery, which is right underneath here. The positive bus bar and negative bus bar are connected to the battery terminals respectively, and the furnace connects to the 12-volt loads here. So it's actually a pretty simple setup, just looks complicated with all the breakers and redirects. This here is a shunt for the system monitor, which I will be using for the demonstration. You can see right here the battery is fully charged. We're starting at 12.56 volts. What I'm going to do is attempt to turn the furnace on. Now the furnace has very low power draw, but it will draw 8 or 9 volts heating the glow plugs when it first starts up. So you see the voltage is down to 10.5 volts already. Let's take a look at the load. That's under a load of 8 amps, 7 amps. So it varies between 6 and 8 amps. Go back to the voltage. Voltage is down to 10.3 again. So what'll happen is it'll cycle back and forth, but whenever the heater attempts to start and actually preheat the glow plugs, the voltage will drop below its 11 volt threshold and it will refuse to start. See if I can zoom in here so we can see that. Now, I got this battery to run this system. It's done a great job for about 9 months, but it's a deep cycle battery. It's never been discharged below about 70-80% of rated capacity. It's been charged according to the correct charging profile. It's been well cared for, so I expect more of a life cycle out of it than maybe a dozen trips and say 12 to 20 light discharges. So here we are. Again, right back down to 10.8 volts. Right now it's drawing 2 amps in the system. I'll wait till the furnace goes out again just so I can demonstrate that. Oh, it's drawing 5, yeah. Just so I can show that there's no other load in the system besides the furnace. So we're drawing 2 amps now. Once the fan shuts off, you'll see the battery voltage go right back up to nice, healthy, fully charged 12.5 volts. And you'll also see that the total load on the system is 0, so there are no other loads happening.